quickly begin the presentation ceremony. As I know, the weather is not that conducive. Everyone is like, "Ooh," right? Okay, so when I say who, I would like to invite our HR director, Garima Nandwani, to come over and say a few words, please.
Thank you, Mother. Congratulations, winners. Congratulations, FFH titles. So, guys, you played well for sure. So, don't worry, you already are the winners, right? Every year you were the one who was taking this award. But I think you have to give this chance to someone else. You played well, boys. Okay, so congratulations again, and thank you so much for your commitment. And I think every match you guys were there, so thank you so much. It's all because of you. It is possible, I think, to arrange for this tournament during this pandemic. So thank you so much again. And I'm not taking much of time, and we'll start with our award ceremony. So over to you, Mother.
Thank you, Garima. Thank you very much. And to begin with the presentation ceremony, I would like to call upon Mrs. Bora, please. Everyone. Okay, just small, quick one question. How did you like the entire experience?
Amazing.
Thank you very much. Beshak. Okay, Nisande? Okay, without doubt, right? All right. So the first award that we're gonna award this evening is Fighter of the Match. And any guesses here, guys, from Hurricanes? Right, that's Bipin Chand, the captain of Hurricanes 11. Bipin, you'll have to do the ramp walk again because we have something else also for you, but I'll disclose that later. Okay, so now I would like to call upon the person who's being adjudged as the man of the match of the finals, and that is Vijay. The power hitter. Okay. As I said in the beginning, that the purple cap and orange cap. Of course, orange cap remains Negi, so I'll call you later. But the statistics have changed for the purple cap. Now the cap has shifted from Mayank to once again the person whom I asked to do the ramp walk again. It's Bipin again. Cap. Purple. You have to wear it, man. You have to wear it. And Negi, come over for your customary shot, please. Come over. Igorji. And Negi, you have to here. You have to be here for the customary shot. Okay, now comes the special award, one of the special awards I would say. And this award is called the Most Valuable Player. Any guesses, guys? Sorry, what? I would like to call upon, well, the nomination says Most Valuable Player, but I would like to call upon somebody who's invaluable to all of us. And to give away the award, I would like to request Garima to please come over and, of course, get the medal as well. And the most... Be here. You'll have to dance later. The Most Valuable Player award goes to none other than our EVP and site head. Give it up for Vishal Bora!
Okay, just a quick change in this. I'd like to give this away to Mayank because I think he deserves more than me. Mayank, you have one more fan in your club, so this is for you. Garima, please.
This is so generous of you, Vishal. You've always been one who stands by your people, so thank you very much. This is such a nice gesture from your side. Congratulations, Mayank. Enjoy your glory, man. Enjoy your glory. Garima here again, because the next is Man of the Series, and Vishal, you can't go away because this Man of the Series is Mr. Vishal Bora. Vishal has been, just for records, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, he has been the most prolific scorer in this series. And I would just like to remind him once that, you know, I was speaking to him during the mid of the tournament and I told him this thing, and that actually came true. I said, Vishal, you know what? My gut feeling says this PPL series is yours. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, he said that. He predicted it. Thanks.
No, but you can't go away like that. I have to this small conversation with you. Well, it's not about what I predicted, but how has been the experience overall, and how did you look at your batting in this entire series?
I think these guys were generous to bowl easier bowls to the oldie, but playing with the new generation, it's always good. So the challenges are different. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you very much. Let me tell you. And rightly so, the trophy goes to the head of the family. But so you said these guys bowled to the oldie, but let me tell you, old has always been gold, and this time old is glittering gold. Okay, I would request Mrs. Bora to once again grace the stage, please. And now it's time to award the medals and certificates to the runners-up teams. So 1, 2, 3, give it up for Hurricanes 11! And I would request the captain to come over first, and of course after the captain, please each and every player, please form a line and please collect your medals and certificates. And okay, and medals, please. How much do you, sir? Yay! Everyone, please come one by one. This is Akshat Mishra, please. Your clap should not stop, please. Please give a big round of applause to all the Hurricanes players. They really played well. At the end of the day, one team had to win, but these guys have been the consistent performer of the PPL cricket series. So and we'll have a photo op session, don't worry about it, we'll have a photo op session. Well done, Naresh. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. The coach Carter. With the trophy lifted, please. With the trophy, man. Yeah. Somebody in the center can hold this trophy. And well played, Hurricanes 11. Once again, congratulations. Thank you, Mrs. Bora, for your time and giving away the awards. Okay. Now I would like to call upon the winning team now. And may I request Mr. Vishal Bora to be here, please. Okay, Imtiaz, come over, please. All right. Yeah, this will be the last, please. And please line up. FFH Titans, please line up because this is your biggest moment of the PPL Cricket Series. And please, one by one. Please give a big round of applause to the winning team today for winning the tournament, FFH Titans. Monu, the captain, the coolest captain. Saurabh, congratulations. Amit Jangir. AJ. Abel. Matthew, Vijay, Serene, Abhimanyu, well played guys. Addy, Raghav, DJ. And last but not the least, Mr. Vishal Bora. And where is Jordy? Come over. Matthew, come over. Jaldi ho. And Jordy, you'll get the trophy. Trophy Jordy ki thi. Okay, ruko. Hold on. You still have to give the winning trophy. And now, can I request Imtiaz? Jordy. And now I would request Imtiaz to please hand over the winning trophy to the winning team. And may I request the captain to collect the trophy, please. Three cheers for FFH Titans. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Woo! Alright guys, so with this, we conclude the presentation ceremony. I hope you all enjoyed this PPL Cricket Series, and until we meet next, sayonara and all the best. Thank you very much.